Guys, welcome back to Lioma TV Market with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is from the launching or the opening of Villa Toscana in Port Harcourt with Phyno, Flavour, and Poco. It was an amazing one. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, they go. I said, too hard, pastor. The beat. You wish me to fall, I go jump, I go pass you. If we're gonna do it, see that level. Yagaba. Aha. Hey. Aha. Sit down, one. Tell you one. Ezekiel. Yo. Poco. Tell it. Tinja. Abami Awka. Abami Awadu. Happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Progress. Organiru buechichende banye. That is why, when we travel beyond the land of our birth, we are not afraid to start afresh in search of our glory. Our thirst to succeed fires our passion to build empires made from hard work and determination.
From the east to overseas, the drums of triumph hail our name. This is the sound of progress. Ebubedike, nwoke n'etiti ụmụ nwoke, ịlọghachila n'ebube. Nwoke dịka ọdụm, nnọọ, bịa were ọnọdụ gị n'etiti ndị okenye. This is the life we chose. Enjoy the new taste of progress. Mwafọ turu golota.
To Lagos. Weather en route is fine. There might be one or two storms. We'll just avoid them, but it should be fine. It's early in the morning. I invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Allah, it's only those who like us who will like them. You do for me, you do for me, you push me,